that she has refused to marry.
Marry? Whom?
Now, nobody. Police did not even bother to register a complaint.
Why? Your brothers are so very influential?
Yes.
When was the FIR registered? Do you think the person who you intend to give protection will be relieved, will be assured of your assurances? Can it be done?
No.
What is to be done with the police officer who refused to or did not?
But I must.
You are in a back foot.
Absolutely. Absolutely, my lord. There is no.
And the person will be dealt with appropriately.
My lord, that your lordship can do, my lord. Before
You also should come forward and say that yes, this has been done and steps should be taken against the officers who were erring,
my lord,
erring officers. No matter how much you defend.
Correct. My lord, this is serious. But kindly see, my lord, page 17, 18, injury, my lord, two hands of the, my lord, a law student of Hajra Law College. 17, 18. Kindly see, my lord.
Yes.
As his offense is that she has refused to marry.
Marry? Whom?
Now, my lord, nobody. My lord, they want. At this stage, I am the only girl in the area who has, my lord, reached to this level of education. That is my offense.
Who are the parties who do not want you to get educated?
Or are my
In parents or
no,
relatives?
not parents. My brothers.
Your brothers?
Cousin brothers. And they are the influential of the area. I have not police. My sister went to the police station to lodge a complaint.
Does this student travel every day from Hooghly?
No. She resides in Kolkata. For election, she went there.
All right. She resides in Kolkata where?
Near Paksakas area.
Any hostel? Somebody's house?
No. In a mess.
All right. She has her own accommodation.
Now, she and her daughter both lives together.
She and her daughter, she is married.
Sister. I'm sorry, sister. Now, they live together in Kolkata. Now, for the purpose of election, they went to their native land. There, this incident has occurred.
Oh, it happened over there in Hooghly, not in the Hajra Law College.
No.
Yes, then?
I made complaint. First, my sister went to the police station.
All right.
Police compelled him to waited for 2-3 hours. Did not register any complaint. Rather asked me to settle the issue. Thereafter, we emailed the complaint to the SP, to the OC, everybody. But at page 23 is the complaint.
Did you name the person?
Yes, I have named everybody. Now, I have given a reminder. At page 32 to the SP, once again, that registered a complaint. This discloses cognizable offense, registered a complaint and investigate. Police did not even bother to register a complaint.
Why? Your brothers are so very influential?
Yes. In that area, not in Kolkata.
Yes.
The FIR has been started, Millet. I must be very candid before your lordship, Millet. It has started in a late, Millet. On 13/6, Millet, we have started a case against Millet, the 4-person, Millet. One is Millet, Sheikh Ami. Second is the Sheikh Rahul. Third is the Sheikh Saddam. Lordship will find these names from the complaint of the Millet petitioners. And also Millet.
Rajia Begum.
Under section 341, 323, 324, 325, 379, 340, 504, 506, and 34. Admittedly, this has been done. That apart, we have the procedural, the formalities has to be fulfilled by sending the 41 notices to them, and as well as we have sent the 91 notice to the petitioners. That apart, we are keeping the close vigil over the issues, and also we have assured the petitioner that as and when he faces such kind of problem, we'll be there to help her out. This is apparent from my report. Lordship kindly produce this one.
When was the FIR registered?
The FIR
Yesterday night.
13th 6
Receiving the repetition.
I must be
20th
very
or
careful.
21st of May, the complaint is lodged.
Right.
You register FIR on 13th, right? Now thereafter, and 13th, the writ petition is filed. The writ petition is filed on the 13th. So immediately you get to know that a writ petition has been filed, you lodge the FIR. And now if you say that I assure you, whenever there is some difficulty, you come to me, do you think the person who you intend to give protection will be relieved, will be assured of your assurances? Can it be done?
No, first of all, Millard, kindly consider one aspect that can be. These complaint was sent to the email.
Why was it sent through email? What required the lady to?
Practically, in the minute CRPC only requires the information under section 154. It might be in writing, it might be in oral. I must be very candid before the Lordship. Now, once the such information is being received, it might be cognizable, it might be non-cognizable. If it is coming under the purview of the cognizable offences, the police authority is duty bound to register the FIR. Well, admittedly, there is some delay to that extent.
What is to be done with the police officer who refused to or did not?
This allegation, I am not supporting that he has refused. The report says something else. We have specifically asked the petitioner to come and lodge a proper complaint. My learned friend has submitted. The sister of the petitioner went over there. We have inquired about the same, but no complaint was lodged by her in appropriate manner. No name.
What does appropriate manner mean?
What name was discussed in initial?
Unknown against unknown persons FIR not lodged?
Can. But since the matter is, I understand what is falling from your Lordship, we are in a little sticky wicket, but I must.
You are in a back foot.
Absolutely, there is no.
And the person will be dealt with appropriately.
That your Lordship can do,
You also should come forward and say that yes, this has been done and steps should be taken against the officers who were erring officers. No matter how much you defend.
Correct. This kind of offences, whenever it has happened, Lordship thinks that I will become the barrier for the protection.
Should not be.
Should not have been.
Absolutely.
I should not. Lordship kindly sees the report once more. It speaks of something different, But so far the our work is concerned,
একটা কপি দেবে?
দেবো নিশ্চয়ই। Lordship can skip over the first page. Lordship can come to the second page onwards and the paragraphs second onwards.
কটার সময় পুলিশ গেছে বাড়িতে? আচ্ছা, আর কখন সার্ভিস করেছো? ইমেল দেখি।
Please come.
Only one section, 166A.
160A?
166A.
66A, yes.
Whoever being a public servant, then C, fails to record any information given to him under subsection 1 of section 154 CRPC in relation to a cognizable offence punishable under section 354 in the middle shall be punished with a rigorous imprisonment for a term shall not be less than 6 months. But this is a criminal offence at the instance of the public servant, and the SP is the offender.
Possibly it is not correct. SP is the offender. This particular the things has been clarified in the Lalita Kumari's case. Delay of registering the FIR, it has to be explained in proper manner. Let the explanation come before your lordship, and lordship can deal it appropriately. But so far the SP is concerned, I do not think he is involved in any such manner. Lordship kindly keeping in the mind of the Lalita Kumar, delay of the lodging of the FIR.
Please
And one more thing, at 4:30 you have served them through email. At 8:30, police went to my residence. SP. And
SP went to your residence.
This has not been written over here.
No, yesterday.
Oh, yeah, yesterday for the purpose.
And after that FIR.
Registering of the FIR.
FIR was registered yesterday.
Yes.
13th.
Yes, yesterday.
After the receipt my petition.
The petitioner is a student of law. Stop. It has been submitted that she is the only person in the family who has reached such height of education. Stop. Her brothers,
Cousin brothers.
do not want the petitioner to continue further with her education, and they want the petitioner to be married off immediately. Stop. As the petitioner is resisting such attempt on the part of her cousin brothers, accordingly, her cousin brothers are threatening her with dire consequences and have in fact brutally assaulted her, is disturbing her on regular basis,
তোকে অ্যাসিড ছুঁড়ে মারবো,
has threatened her to burn her with acid attack. Stop. Paragraph. On 16th of May 2024, when the petitioner went to the market, the accused persons brutally assaulted her, and even outraged her modesty. Stop. The local people came to her rescue, and she was taken to the local hospital for treatment. Stop.
Some checks and balances are required. Last matter is how police is functioning. This matter.
The petitioner was so shocked that she was also not in a position to go to the police station for lodging a formal complaint. Stop. The sister of the petitioner visited the police station on 17th of May 2024 for lodging the complaint, but the police refused to accept such complaint. Stop. On 19th May 2024, the accused persons again visited the house of the petitioner and threatened her and her family members with dire consequences. A complaint was sought to be lodged in the police station on 20th of May 2024, but the police once again did not accept the same. The complaint was forwarded through electronic mail on 21st of May 2024. Stop. Despite receiving the complaint and despite and even though cognizable offences were disclosed in the complaint, the police did not register any FIR. Stop. The writ petition was prepared and was filed after obtaining leave from the court on 13th of June 2024. Next. The officer in charge Chonditala Police Station is directed to submit an explanation as to why the complaint sought to be lodged by the sister of the petitioner on 17th of May 2024 was not accepted. Stop. The reason for not registering FIR despite receiving complaint on the 20th/21st of May 2024 shall also be disclosed in the explanation to be filed. Stop. Next. The Superintendent of Police, paragraph, the Hooghly Rural Police District is directed to oversee the investigation. Where from do we get officers? We cannot bring in officers from outside.
But first they have to learn what is the duty.
Who is going to teach them? A teacher has to be appointed.
Only judicial direction ultimately to teach them.
Right.
Particularly kind direct the SDPO to look into that matter even.
If the SP cannot do anything, the SDPO will have
Do anything, I am.
And direct DIG at least to
This is wrong. Submission made
This
by
cannot be done.
and district magistrate will look over the matter.
Did you get any help from the Human Rights Commission?
Not yet. And I don't expect any help from State Human Rights Commission. Because they have, this is also have to look into when the State Human Rights Commission forwarded the complaint to the police. Yes. Also Women Commission.
Take a cartoon. Achha. The manner in which the facts of the case has been revealed before the court. The court is doubtful as to whether the Superintendent of Police would be in a position to oversee the investigation. Stop. Next. The petitioner has expressed her reservation with regard to the inquiry to be conducted by the local police. Stop. Next. In such a situation, the court thinks it fit to direct the detective department. Then who to direct?
Only one thing.
Yes.
That is, admittedly, there is a lacuna to register the FIR. Admittedly. But ultimately, this has been registered with appropriate case. Lordship, kindly have a trust on us for a moment, and we will not disappoint the court, Millard. This is Millard. I am saying Millard. Kindly, Millard.
Kindly direct DIG CID
Petitioner's word, Millard. We have tried. We have registered the case. Admittedly, there is a delay. Admitted position.
And there is
no, we are not seeking mercy.
There is a reason. You accept the complaint from the offenders.
I understand, Millard. What is calling from your lordship, I understand. But kindly, for a moment, Millard, have
no, the court is not having this trust upon you all.
No, Millard, kindly.
Let the CCTV footage be preserved of the police station on the relevant date. And DIG CIG kind of directed them to
You want the CCTV footage for what purpose? They have accepted that
they will ultimately deny.
it is there on record, and this is the reason I have mentioned that the sister went to the police station.
No, it is also in our record also.
From your record only I have mentioned.
Nobody is.
So no use of preservation of the CCTV footages, and whether the CCTV cameras is functional or not, you never
They will
know.
come and say no, it's not functional.
What is the use? But then I want an officer who is to conduct the investigation.
Direct DIG CIG for the timing.
Give me a moment. Just give me a
To appoint a senior officer.
Yes, please do.